Hi guys, today we're gonna see about the load test on a DC shunt motor. So the nameplate details is this. This is a circuit diagram. So the aim of this experiment is to draw the performance characteristics of the given DC shunt motor by conducting the load test. And then apparatus required will be voltmeter, ammeter, rheostat, and tachometer with the corresponding ranges. Okay, the procedure for this experiment is before going to the procedure, we should follow the precautions. First, the fuse is selected such that the current rating is 120% of the rated current of the motor. It is ensured that the starter handle is in off position. The motor field rheostat should be kept in the minimum position at the time of the starting. Heat produced due to the friction between the belt and the brake drum is reduced by pouring water inside the brake drum periodically. Okay, the procedure is the circuit connections are made as per the circuit diagram in the given figure. The supply is given by closing the DPSG switch. The motor is started using a 3-point starter. The motor field rheostat is adjusted from its minimum position to get the rated speed. The no load readings of the voltmeter and spring balance. This too is the spring balance, and they are noted. The load is increased. We should pull the load like it will be in a cylindrical manner, so we have to pull the load, and then we have to increase that load so that brake drum, the friction between the brake drum and the spring will be increasing in a linear manner. So the load is increased, and the voltmeter and ammeter and spring balance reading and speed for various load currents up to the rated current are noted. Performance characteristics are drawn from the tabulated readings and calculated values. Okay, this is the table for this experiment. Here is the line voltage, load current, and spring balance readings S1, S2. This is the difference between the two spring balance reading. And speed we gonna measure using tachometer, and torque, input power, output power, and efficiency using formula. Initially we have to note down the circumference of the brake drum. We should take a long thread and tie it through the circumference of the drum, and we gonna measure it using a ruler so that we can find the meter, and then radius of the meter using the circumference formula. So the torque formula will be T is equal to S1 difference S2 and R into 9.81. R is the radius of the brake drum, and S1 S2 is the spring balance readings. Input power PA is equal to VL into IL. VL is the line voltage, IL is the load current. Output power is equal to 2 pi NT by 60. N is the speed of the motor and T is the torque. For efficiency, the formula is output power by input power into 100. Okay. A model calculation, I've used one value. I've used this second value for the model calculation. You can see the torque and the input power, output power, and efficiency. Okay. After noting down all the values in the table, you should draw two graphs. One is performance characteristics, other is mechanical characteristics. This one is the mechanical characteristics. In y-axis we take speed in rpm, and then in x-axis we take torque in Newton meter. We should plot all the points from the values given in the table. And the second graph will be, it is slightly tough because we should make 4 y-axis, one for efficiency, other for torque, speed and line current. In x-axis we should mark as output power. After drawing these two graphs, the experiment is over. But if you need any you can take a screenshot or note down the values here. Okay, these all for the Viva questions I just prepared just for you. You can take a you can note these points, or you can take a screenshot. Okay, these questions are probably they asked for Viva. Thanks for watching this video.